Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And look, so a little bit of crazy news that's kind of circulating around, and I don't know exactly how true this is going to be, but I'm going to give my 2 cents on this bit of information that's like floating around. So a very short video for you guys. But first of all, I do want to wish my youngest daughter a very, very happy 8th birthday. Today, she turns 8, which is a bit craziness because I tend to think that 9 is my lucky number, like 9 and 8 is my lucky number. Only for the simple fact is that today's my daughter's birthday, which is the 9th. And then my birthday is on the 18th, which is 9 days away. And my lady's birthday is on the 27th, which is another 9 days away. So, yeah. 9, 18, 27, multiples of 9. The numbers 9, 18, and 27 are pretty lucky. So, and of course, my oldest daughter is born on the 9th month of the year. So, yeah, 9. 9 is the lucky number. But anyways, guys, so what I want to talk about real quick is this rumor circulating around. And if this rumor happens to be true, I like pixels. I really like pixels. Made by Google. If you're hearing me right now, if you actually watch this on Instagram TV or on YouTube, I like pixels, okay? Now, your flagships are not, they're not on that level where I would say like you pretty much got it down packed, okay? I'm just being honest and real. Your mid-range is solid. Google knows how to build a solid mid-range device and price it right. I'll give them that. The Pixel 3a, solid phone. The Pixel 4a, selling great. Can't wait to get it in my hands. Once pre-orders are shipped out and we finally get ours in the mail, I get to unbox it, and it goes to my lady for her birthday gift. So, yeah. I got the Pixel 4 for my birthday gift, even though my birthday's in another 9 days. I got mine's early. So, hey. What I'm talking about is if the Pixel team is working on making a foldable Pixel device, how would that work out? And I'm going to say this, okay? There is a slight possibility that a foldable Pixel device would actually be pretty solid. A slight possibility if Google could get this right. But it's not that I don't have faith in Google to do this, but I really think that they should really work on their Pixel lineup before attempting to do the craziness like what Samsung has done, what Huawei has done. Heck, I'll even throw ZTE and LG in there, okay? Because even though there's not like true foldable displays, they have made foldable devices. Yeah, I really think that Google should kind of hold off. Now, I mean, it's hold off and get the Pixel flagship line on par, on level. Get it to where the device itself, the features it has, and the hardware built into it matches the price that you guys put out, and then a lot of people will have faith in this foldable Pixel. Now, is it a bad idea that Google does it? No, it's not a bad idea that Google wants to dwell into foldable technology, as foldable technology is probably one quintessential area of the future tech that we should be expecting. Samsung trying to perfect it. Other companies are, they're dabbling in it. Why not for Google to go in there? Why should Google have to be left out of that party? That's all I'm going to say on that, really. Why should they be left out the party? But then again, you also got to think, too, like, there's a lot of things that goes, involved with foldable technology. And Google doesn't have a great track record for hardware. So, it's not like I'm going to be offending them when they basically created the Pixel super fans, where they can get feedback from consumers like you and me to kind of help them better perfect the Pixel devices in the future. So if you're putting together a group of people, to help you position your product to become better so it can sell better, then a foldable Pixel device is something that I wouldn't dabble in right now. I mean, if they were doing it in the same way like LG's doing it, like maybe making like a secondary screen that you attach the Pixel device to, and then it becomes a foldable Pixel because it's got that secondary folding screen with the hinge and a gap in the middle, that's fine. If they're building it like the was it the ZTE Axon? Was it the Axon M? That was foldable. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section, in the comments. Drop a comment if I'm wrong. I think it is the ZTE Axon M. But I mean, even something like that, or like the Kyocera Echo, if it was something like that, okay, then I can see, having a good possibility of it being, okay. But if they're going like exactly what Samsung is doing with an actual foldable display, like Samsung doesn't even have that right, Samsung fans may be offended by me saying that, but they really don't. They don't have that right. I mean, if you look at the Unpacked event where they talked about the new Galaxy Fold, they didn't even give us much on it. They really focused on the foldable screen because the very first Galaxy Fold had major issues with the foldable screen. So, yeah, they didn't give us much for spec-wise. They told a little bit more about the hinge, and that's fine and dandy. But my thing is that Google, don't dabble in foldable technology just yet. Focus. Because, here's the thing with Pixels, right? Everyone praises OnePlus because they build devices with, flagship specs and features, but they price really well up until, the OnePlus 7 and the OnePlus 8. Is where they really change things. Google can really captivate that market. Because if you see when the OnePlus Nord dropped, a lot of OnePlus, fanboys and fangirls really got excited for it because it's like, OnePlus went back to the roots. They gave 5G, they gave a better build body, they gave all kinds of features and stuff in it, and it was like priced at like, $499. So everyone was like going bananas over it, right? Pixel can actually fill that void in that market since OnePlus is like hitting flagship pricing. Pixels can actually capitalize on that market. The fact that, the Pixel 5 was probably going for mid-range specs, sort of, not really mid-range specs, but a mid-range chip to price it lower. That's the reason why I was like, it's a good idea that they go ahead and do that. Focus on cameras and not so much on power. Because Google does very well with their mid-range, the 3A, and then, of course, to a lot of people out there, the 4A. And I'll give my thoughts on that later on. But anyways, guys, you know what? Pixel foldable. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. Do you guys think this thing's going to be an abomination, a total fail? Or are you guys in support of it? Do you guys think that they're going to do it the Samsung way with the actual foldable screen? Or they're going to do it the ZTE, Kyocera, LG way where it's like, a secondary screen, hinge or whatever, and actually two different displays that combo together? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section of the video. If you guys enjoyed this quick little vlog, smash that like button to let me know. If you just found my channel and subscribe, thanks for doing so. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload future videos. That's it for right now, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday to my lovely daughter. And as always, aloha. Or aloha.